Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a new model which enables you to increase the resolution of your images. I know that we already have covered various similar models on the channel in the last 1 year or so, but this one seems to take it a few levels up, which is quite good. I still believe that there are a lot of models out there which try to do the same, but the quality is not there. But this research project, which is a new image super resolution technique that is based on diffusion inversion, aims at harnessing the rich image priors encapsulated in large pre-trained diffusion model to improve SR or super resolution performance. They work something like this where there's a lot of math happening, but in very simple words what is happening is that they have this deep noise predictor to estimate the optimal noise maps for the forward diffusion process, and once it is trained, this predictor can be used to initialize the sampling process partially along the diffusion trajectory that generates the desirable high resolution results. So that is a quick intro of this model. I think it will be good if we could get it installed locally, and then the good thing is that it comes up with a Gradio demo and we can launch it locally. So let's get started and try to get it installed. Before that, let me give a huge shout out to Master Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. This is my Ubuntu system, and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM, courtesy Master Compute. Let me create a virtual environment with Conda, which is 3.10. Let's wait for it to get created. Shouldn't take too long. And now let's git clone the repo, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. And that is also done. Next up, let's install all the prerequisites, which are quite a lot. So you just have to wait for 5 to 6 minutes. So let's wait for all of these to get installed. All the prerequisites are done. Let's launch our application or the model, which is basically is going to launch the Gradio app here. And the app is running on our local system at the default Gradio port. Let me access it. And there you go. You can see that this is the interface. On the left hand side, you can either drop the image or click to upload. And these are some of the parameters which you can set. I'll just keep them as is. I think this should be random, not random seed. And then this is the output, and you can download the output too. And then there are some examples which you can readily use. If you can increase the number of steps. It is just the diffusion steps, and the chopping size, how much it chops it off, and that sort of stuff. Okay, so I have just selected this example image, and then I have clicked on submit. The first time you will do it, if you go to terminal, it is going to start downloading the model, as you can see, and the model size is very small. It is just, I think, around 5K considering everything. So let's wait for it to get downloaded, and then we will see how the output image looks like. Let's go back and let's see how it goes. I'll make it a bit bigger to the screen. And there you go, the model is loaded, and you can see that the resultant image is far more better. And then you can download it if you like. Now let me quickly show you the VRAM consumption here. So it is just consuming around 7 gig of VRAM, which is not much really, and given that how good the quality is. So if I go down, and maybe I will try out with another one, maybe we'll just go with this, and then let's go up. Let's click on submit. You see it is quite blurred at the moment. So let's see what it produces here, the high quality image or the super resolution image. This time it was fairly quick, and look at the difference. This is simply outstanding, real outstanding stuff here. Okay, let's go here, and maybe I'll just try another one, maybe black and white. It is quite blurred. Let's try out this one, and not only it is producing very good results, it is quite fast too. So I will let it run too. There you go. My goodness, look at this. This is so vivid and so crisp and really high resolution image. And not only the face, but also if you look at this on her neck, this has just amplified. The hair looks good. There is no malformation and that sort of stuff. And now let's try out another example. I'll just go with this building and then let me run it. It is going to enhance it and it is going to increase the resolution of the image. Let's wait. There you go. Look at this. How good it looks. Really amazing stuff. I am spellbounded really. Now let me upload an image from my local system. So this is the one and I'm going to click on submit. Let's wait for it. So this is a low quality image and there you go. It really brings it to the life. Amazing stuff. Let's try out another one. In this one I'll just go with the Sydney Harbour Bridge one. It's not that bad an image, but let's see what it does with it. Let's wait for it. And there you go. So it has increased the quality definitely. It was already a good image. Real good stuff. Okay, let me try out a very old photo of city of Lahore in Pakistan. You see that the image is very old. Let's see what it does with it. And I think if I increase, maybe we can also increase the steps if we want to maybe enhance it more. And look at this one. This has really made it very crisp. Even if you look at this text which says Fort Lahore, even that has been increased in resolution. Real good stuff. Look at this backdrop. This is so clear now. Amazing stuff. And now I have uploaded this image of Tokyo in snow. Let's see what it does with it. I'm very keen to see what exactly happens with these things in the backdrop. And if you're a Japanese speaker, let me know if you can read it now or not. But it is definitely, it has been enhanced a lot. Real good stuff. Look at the sky. All the haze is gone. Amazing stuff. And I just want to check with this one what happens, especially with these signs here in this image. Let's wait for it. And simply wow, look at this writing. This is out of this world. This is simply outstanding. Real good stuff. So that's it. I could go on and on, but I think this is one of the best image super resolution model I have seen. I will drop the link to it in video's description. By the way, if you're interested, you can go to this repo and they also have this Hugging Face space and demo, which you can readily check on Replicate too. But real amazing stuff. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.